In this video, I will show how to control Excel cursor movement during data entry. So as a default, we can see once you press enter, it's going to downside, but you need movement to right or left side. So you can change this setting. File, Options, Advanced, and here the setting after pressing enter, move selection. So you can select right or you can select left. Now press enter, so it's going to right side. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you, and to set as a default setting, so again advanced and select down.